To connect ChatGPT chatbot to Wix Chat, you need to have a Wix website and a ChatGPT API key. First, create a Wix account and set up your website. Next, go to the ChatGPT website and sign up for an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your chatbot and allow it to interact with your Wix website. Once you have your API key, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor. Click on the Add button and search for the Wix Chat app. Click on the app to add it to your website. After adding the app, click on the Settings icon and select the Custom Chatbot option. In the Custom Chatbot section, select the API option and enter your ChatGPT API key. This will connect your ChatGPT chatbot to your Wix Chat. You can then customize the chatbot settings to fit your needs, such as setting up intents and entities. To test your chatbot, go to your Wix website and initiate a chat. Your ChatGPT chatbot should respond to your messages. Make sure to test your chatbot thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. Best practices for connecting ChatGPT chatbot to Wix Chat include ensuring your API key is secure and only used for your Wix website. You should also regularly update your chatbot to ensure it has the latest features and security patches. Additionally, make sure to monitor your chatbot's performance and adjust its settings as needed to provide the best user experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully connect your ChatGPT chatbot to your Wix Chat and provide a seamless user experience for your website visitors. This integration can help you automate customer support, improve user engagement, and increase conversions on your website.